रानू हट। नहीं।
Hi.
Deepika looking absolutely stunning.
Thank you. I want to know why you take all your interviews on your phone. I want to know why you take all these interviews on your phone.
No. Oh, this is for Indian Express. We have a video site also. When we upload these videos, it looks absolutely beautiful with you around. So looking absolutely stunning. How does it feel to be the only Bollywood actress to have made it to this iconic list where you would be rubbing shoulders with phenomenal women from other walks of life?
There's a lot of women here actually who I draw inspiration from. I think Zia Modi being one of those women, and you know, it's I definitely do feel a small sense of achievement to be amongst all these women. Usually we're awarded or rewarded amongst you know, our own fraternity, and I'm sure it's the same for them as well. But to sort of be amongst high achievers like them is definitely a great feeling.
Right. Within a short span of time, we have reached the top in terms of Bollywood. How does it feel? And now there's a lot of collabs. So, what is your take on this?
Sorry, I was posing for the cameras.
You know, within a span of very short time, you have reached the top level of Bollywood. What does it feel? Because finally, do you think hard work has paid off in a great way?
Hard work is definitely key to a lot of things. But I think it's also important to be passionate, or rather do what you're passionate about. And most importantly, enjoy yourself along the way. You know, I think these have been my biggest learnings, and I think I've had fun. Through all the work that I've done and all the amazing people that I've worked with, I think I've really had a good time.
What's your success mantra, Deepika?
Exactly that. I think exactly what I said. I think I'm really fortunate to be in the movie business, something that I've always wanted to do and something that I'm very passionate about. I think which is why even when I was written off, I took that as a challenge. And healthy sort of criticism, and I've worked on that. So that's an interesting color tune. So I think and like I said, I think it's important that I've enjoyed the people that I've worked with, and I've enjoyed all the various film experiences that I've had.
Deepika, you have also ventured into an NGO. So, what's the reaction towards the NGO? You have recently you have launched your NGO.
Yeah, I don't think today's event is really the right place to talk about that. I think it's already helped a lot of people. I think to begin with, I think my interview itself helped a lot of people, and then the foundation, of course. I wouldn't personally like to talk about.
But Deepika, what is the basic reason that even superstars are getting and opening NGOs? Don't you think that we should have a parallel NGO that will have everything in it? As in, Vivek Oberoi opened an NGO, he recused girls from Kamatipura. Sunil Shetty has one, Salman Khan has been in one, even you are into it. So,
But different people, they believe in different things and they stand for different things. You can't have, there's nothing like one NGO for all. I mean, I don't know if something like that will work. I think it's, the work involved is very, very concentrated. It's very, very specialized. And you can't just open an NGO and say, chalo, let's now do everything possible, because also the skill that's involved for different NGOs will be different. And I'm glad that we're focusing on mental health, because it's high time we did.
but Deepika, आपको नहीं लगता कि बाजीराव और दिलवाले को लेके कितनी सारी stories
कहाँ
बनी थी,
से
report
कहाँ?
बनी? But don't you think that two big movies releasing on the same day is a big business for the industry?
I'm bored of answering this question. You all keep asking me the same question and I keep repeating myself. I, as an actor, have no sort of say in when my films should release. We started shooting Bajirao last year. We started shooting Tamasha last year. Fortunately for me, both the films are complete. And the producers decide when the best time is to release these films, because, I mean, obviously for them, they know best. And, I'm sure they know what they're doing.
Deepika, talking about Tamasha, one thing that really recently made news is the love scene between you and Ranbir. What do you have to say? How intense and passionate are they really?
It's as intense and passionate as a love scene should be for those particular characters or for that kind of film. Yeah.
Deepika, we also read the article about you telling Imtiaz that you're not comfortable with the intimate scenes and stuff like that. We read the article like
Huh?
But is it not just rumors?
Not at all, yeah. I mean, I don't get involved in telling anyone anything, And I think someone, especially like Imtiaz, is very, very clear about what the script is, what kind of scenes we're shooting, what is required from the actors. We're all pretty much on the same page. So we all do a film, and while getting into it, we know exactly what we're getting into.
Deepika, is there one person from Bollywood who you would like to thank for having stood behind you all these years?
You're asking nice questions. Tell me. I think my family, for sure. I think my family has been very, very encouraging and very supportive. And I also think people from within the fraternity, everyone who's given me the opportunity, right from a Farah to a Shahrukh, to an Imtiaz who signed me for Love Aajkal even before my first film released. So a lot of people have, in fact everyone, a lot of people signed me on, not without seeing any of my work. So I think everyone.
One more question, I hope you won't be diplomatic. Are you and Hrithik pairing up for Aashiqui 3?
No.
Are you and Hrithik pairing up for another movie?
Not yet. Other than Tamasha and Bajirao, I haven't signed any other film. So until you hear some confirmation from me, don't believe anything else that you read. I am meeting a lot of people. I am reading a lot of scripts, but I haven't confirmed or signed anything yet.
Before you leave, Deepika, Diwali is coming up. Diwali wishes for the entire cast.
To all the viewers of all these lovely channels, wishing you all a very happy Diwali. Thank you.